Mashups and hybrid designs have always sparked debate in the sneaker world, but recent releases show that attitudes are steadily changing. Nike continues to lean into this evolving mindset by blending familiar silhouettes into fresh concepts that feel both nostalgic and modern. One of the latest examples is the Nike Air Max 95 Total 90 in the Burgundy Crush colorway. This version keeps the iconic Air Max 95 shape intact while borrowing visual cues from the Total 90 football lineage. A glossy patent leather stripe runs along the side panels, giving the shoe a bold and premium look. Reflective detailing at the heel adds visibility and flair, especially under low light. The crossover identity is sealed with circular 90 branding on the tongue and medial heel, clearly signaling the fusion. While Nike has yet to confirm official release information, pairs have begun surfacing at select overseas retailers. With momentum building around this hybrid, a wider release is expected in the near future.